So this is the Threads of Truth Poetry and Storytelling Workshop. This is sponsored by the White House Youth Policy Summit, and it's supported by the Urban Word New York City, which is over the Youth Poet Laureate program as a whole. They have extended this program into different cities and regions across the country. So we have the Roanoke Youth Poet Laureate program right here in Roanoke. And so that's why we're throwing this event right here at Melrose Branch Library.
So Elani and Doug organized this wonderful Threads of Poetry, Storytelling workshop, and they wanted a bilingual poet. And I'm Afro-Latina, I'm Costa Rican, and I'm gonna read some of my bilingual poetry, but also read some of my poems from Sonder, because one of the themes of today is like belonging, and Sonder talks about the community in Roanoke. So it's gonna be a mix of both bilingual poetry and then poetry about our community.
Mis zapatos duelen, shoes glossy, no creases, I kick them off. Goro al bosque, my feet scrape the ground, getting caught on rocks.
And this event is doing a story circle where we talk about sense of belonging in our different neighborhoods. This event is also focusing on erasure poetry. And we have heard some poetry from a local artist, Eva Lynchcomer, and from Nelly Mar, who is a Puerto Rican poet who zoomed in today.
Igual de bella estoy en la del país del cual soy.
Well, I really want people to take away the fact that we really need to encourage a sense of appreciation for civic engagement and multilingualism in our communities, because both talking about issues within our community and advocating for change and also appreciating different cultures and languages is very important to, encouraging like empathy and togetherness and connecting with others. Usted pertenece aquí. Roanoke es nuestra casa, sharing your traditions like the taquero, passing out tacos de al pastor y carnitas on the corner, raising your children on the star-shadowed mountainside, teaching them both Southern manners and bachata in the living room.
I would like people to know that poetry is amazing, and I think especially now having art as like an outlet is so important.
No matter the bundle of syllables you weave with your tongue, like bamboo baskets under a blazing sun, no matter the sacred words you breathe over hot plates of empanadas, jollof rice, biryani, and dim sum. Well, I'd also like people to know that I am promoting the Youth Poet Laureate program. So if you want to be the next Roanoke Youth Poet Laureate, you can apply by March 15th, roanokearts.org/YPL.